Hi! In front of me is Huawei Nova 11 and today I would like to show you how you can operate the voice recorder. Begin by opening Recorder app and if you never used it before, selecting Allow in the pop-ups. When you're ready to start your recording, tap on this red button. As you can see, recording is on. You can pause it or unpause it thanks to this right button. Add a bookmark thanks to the left one. And end it and save it by using the middle one. As you can see, my recording was successfully created. You can play it by tapping on it. If you wish to rename it, just go back, hold it, and click on Rename option at the bottom. Then type in wherever you wish to and hit OK. In order to get rid of it, hold it again. But this time tap on Delete option at the bottom and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!